Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the 90th Interpol General Assembly meeting in New Delhi. The meeting is being held in India after 25 years. The 4-day General Assembly of Interpol begins today and will conclude on the 21st of this month. Speaking on the occasion, Prime Minister Modi said that India is a case study for the world and police forces across the world are not just protecting people but are furthering social welfare. He also lauded Interpol, saying over the last 99 years, Interpol has connected police organizations globally in 195 countries despite differences in the legal framework.
India is one of the top contributors in sending brave men and women the United Nations peacekeeping operations. Even before our own independence, we made sacrifices to make the world a better place.